In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Revolut Junior Card on Revolut. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what information to have ready, and how to get the card delivered to your door with no confusion. Start by opening the Revolut app and making sure you're on the home screen. If the app opens elsewhere, just navigate back to home using the bottom menu. A quick tip before you begin. The parent or guardian needs to already have a Revolut account to continue, so make sure your own account is active and you're signed in on your device. From the home screen, look to the top right and tap the cards icon. It usually looks like a little stack of cards. If you don't see it right away, give the screen a second to load or make sure your app is up to date so all the latest features are visible. Next, choose Add New. This brings up a list of options for creating different types of cards and profiles. Here, you'll want to select Kids and Teens to start creating a junior account. This is the dedicated space for your child's card and money management, designed so you can guide their spending while they learn good habits. You'll now be asked to enter your child's details and follow the on-screen setup. Have their full name and date of birth ready, and make sure their age falls within the eligible range, which is 6 to 17. The app may ask you to confirm you're the parent or legal guardian and to agree to the terms. Take a moment to read any prompts so you understand how the junior account works, including how you can view activity and set controls from your own app. Once the junior account is created, you can order the physical card. This is where the fun part comes in. Customize the card's design if options are available in your region, confirm the name that will appear on the card, and then enter your delivery details. Delivery times and any shipping fees can vary by location and by your Revolut plan, so check the summary screen before you place the order to avoid surprises. After you submit the order, you'll be able to manage everything right from the app. You can track the card's delivery, top up the junior account, set spending limits, and even freeze or unfreeze the card if needed. It's a simple, secure way to give kids financial independence with guidance. And that's it. You've just learned how to get a Revolut Junior Card on Revolut, available for kids aged 6 to 17.